Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to remove the e-brake boot on a MK7 GTI. It's super simple. There are two clips, one here and one here. So all you gotta do, show you from this angle here, is clip right in here. Mine is broken. I guess I don't know why. Just pull like that. And then that's it. Alright guys, so we're going to change the boot to the e-brake to the alcantara with the red stitching. This is from BFI, Black Forest Industry. I already removed it, so all we have to do is take it apart from here. If you have done your shift knob boot, then it's a very similar process. I'm assuming, I haven't done it, so there is some glue here. I just have to separate it without breaking anything or tearing it apart, because I do want to save the leather. So yeah, let's get cracking. So the way I started to do this, or the only way to do this, so I started to peel this side off because I want to keep the boot. I don't want to cut anything really. So what I did was, the best thing I found was a plastic razor blade. So not a metal one, because this will cut it, but I used one of these plastic ones, and I started on this corner here, and then you kind of like work your way in for me to have enough room to put my finger in. Then with a heat gun or a blow dryer, just heat up this area, then go with your finger and start pulling it up as you go, gently, and then it does come up fairly easy. But just make sure you use heat. Plastic razor. Now I'm on this side, so all you do is see, like that. I'm at a little bit of heat because it's tough. See a rip there, but that's okay. I don't need it to come out perfect. So try to pull down towards it. Don't pull too sharp either, because it will split. And the heating seems to be helping it a whole lot. So just run in here. That's it. The other boot is out, and I can always go back and reuse it. And that's pretty much it. They provided me with a zip tie, and they provided me with some double-sided tape too. I don't know how strong this is. Here's a start in the back. Yeah, here, cut it off. Alright, let's see if this thing sticks. So I got it on here pretty good. It looks like legit tape. Take the backing off. Also, make sure you have the right orientation, because be mad if you do it right. This is the back. You know, the two clips go in the front, and then the stitching goes on the back. And then they got the little slits here for the clip, so it goes on like that. I'll put the front and the back first. Put the front here, just on the tape. And then the back. Right in here. Just gotta tuck it in there so it stick in the middle. There you go. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, this is holding pretty good. Alright, maybe I'll do the whole thing. Let's go. Alright. Oh, I need some tape for this, for the sides here. I guess I'll use some of mine. This tape is not as sticky. That's fine. Ah, peeling this tape off sucks. Alright, got that off. Stick it on there. This piece here. Alright, I got the corners on. I'm gonna put these sides on. Actually, I don't even need the glue.
What we do here is go back.
Trying to follow this lip here. Lip. Sweet. My tape sucks. Yeah, the tape they provided is pretty good, so I gotta figure out. I'm gonna tape these corners here. Maybe I'll glue them. Hopefully they stick. But that's pretty much it. It's on the frame. It's looking good. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit more, but that's it. That's pretty much it. So if you want to add glue to these corners, or I don't know if you've done anything, let me know. But that's pretty much it. BFI shift boot or BFI e-brake boot is on. Let's go install it in the car. Alright guys, so we're just gonna put the BFI Alcantara boot for the e-brake back on. So the way to take it off, again, these clips here on the front, which lay right here, just push in both sides, or one side really. Mine just did it with one side. Oops. And then pops off, and there's a lock on the back, so make sure you pop it up and then pull it from the back. So put it in, Super simple, same way. Make sure you fit it in there snug. Oh my god, it looks so good. Lock the back. Okay, make sure the back is locked. Work here. Yep, that's it. Like one side, the other side. Alright, I got it on there pretty good. And that is it. So I got the shift boot and the e-brake boot, Alcantara BFI. I'm not a fan of leather, so that's why I did it. And that's a pretty simple install. Took me a total of about 20 minutes, 25 minutes taking it off, taking it apart, putting it back together, putting it in the car. So final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the like, subscribe button. See you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.